Hey everyone. Are you struggling to fix that one thing in your playing that just won't improve? Is there one specific comment that you seem to always get from your staff but haven't been able to correct? What if I told you there's a simple yet effective trick to focus your practice and see results fast? It's called the tape trick, and it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Stick around because I'll show you how one piece of tape can transform your playing. Let's jump in. Hi, I'm John with the Percussion IQ team, and today we're going to be going over a simple yet effective tactic called the tape trick. The tape trick is as straightforward as it gets. You simply take a piece of tape, place it on either your practice pad or on the inside rim of your drum facing you, so it's always visible to you while you're playing. On that piece of tape, you write down your biggest opportunity area. It could be something like 10% more sound, lower your taps, correct zones. The key to this specific piece of tape is to make the comment actionable and specific. Every single time you sit down to practice, this tape will be a constant reminder of the one thing you're focusing on and working to improve. If you're a section leader, having your entire drumline do this would be very beneficial, but don't forget to make sure to add a piece of tape for yourself, because I'm sure you have some things you're working on as well. So how it works, really when you think about the tape trick, trying to decide what goes on the tape is probably the most important thing. So start with the feedback you're hearing the most from your instructor. Maybe it's about stick angles, stick heights, control, rebound. Whatever that is, make your sole focus, the one thing that you want to improve the most, make that what goes on your tape. If you don't know what should go on your tape, this is the perfect opportunity to really triage your playing and create awareness around your most critical opportunity area to know what you need to be focusing on. Here's the best part. Once you've mastered the piece of tape that you've got, your one specific comment, pull it off, throw it away, and then you add another piece of tape with your next most important comment. Over time, once you go through 3, 4, 5 pieces of tape, you'll have done a significant amount of work to really shore up with something meaningful and measurable to make sure that your foundational skill set is where it needs to be. This is a targeted approach to help you improve fast with a lot of consistency. The beauty of the tape trick is really its simplicity. By focusing on just one thing at a time, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed. There's a lot of things going on in your mind when you're drumming and you're in a drumline setting. This helps you bring your full attention to the most critical area that you have. This method has helped countless drummers, and really think about it this way. If you are spending 80% of your practice time on your most critical issue that's always visible to you, you're going to get much better, much faster. This constant cycle of improvement is really going to keep you motivated and on track to achieving your goals faster. So, you ready to try the tape trick? Go ahead, grab a piece of tape, write down your biggest opportunity area on it, and start seeing results today. Let us know in the comments, what did you write on your tape? Have you already mastered your first piece and you're moving on to your second? Let us know. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notify button so we can keep producing content like this for you. And as always, stay humble, stay hungry. We'll see you next time.